My name is Claudia Davis. I am the receptionist, quote, customer service here at BJB. I've been here 5 years, going on my 6 years in December. I think the most that I love about BJB is the people that I work with. We're also different culturally, I guess just mindsetting. We have different views on things, and I think that it brings us all together, and it's made it just like this is my family. We spend so much time together here. I think Brian makes it so much, he just makes it so much fun. He makes us feel like this is our company. You know, Brian comes and sits with us every day. He makes the time to say good morning to everybody. And you know, he told me, you walk in that door, this is your company. It's just not mine, it's yours. It's our company. If you ask anybody here that works for BJB, what is BJB to you? Everybody's gonna say it's family, because that's what it is. Not only because it's a family-owned company, but they truly, truly make you feel like a family. I'm excited with what's going on with BJB right now. Our company is really, really growing. I'm just excited to see what the future holds with new products that we're coming up with. It just amazes me how much we have grown, and I see us growing even more, you know, in the future, and I'm really excited about that.